A lot of the time, they have a top-down approach, where it's my teacher says something and then we do that, where if they realize that it can kind of work opposite, where us as educators and teachers have their voice and then we plan, it empowers them.
When we go into the schools and we do the workshops, really highlighting solutions around what the schools can do through a student voice and choice approach to offer better programming, more accessible programming.
I think it's really important to connect students to activities that are relevant to them, because as much as we are educators and think that we know what is available to them, I think that there's a lot that we still don't know.
I think that Heart Zone has allowed me the opportunity to expand my horizons and expand my teaching practices.
The PHE Canada Heart Zone workshop really engaged the students today. When they were in their groups, they would have discussions around questions posed to them and start to generate ideas. And when the ideas were generated, they'd be posed with further questions that would allow for change to be possible. The students also had opportunities to have breakout sessions, time to go outside and play.
My favorite part of the Heart Zone workshop today is when they write our ideas and then we put it on the board. It's really fun to make the school whatever I want.
I had fun putting my ideas down and them being heard.
I felt definitely heard and important because sometimes students are not really listened to and just teachers have the role to choose what they want to do.
If we can design to the edges, then we capture everybody inside that.
I think the PHE Canada workshop really ignited some thought in students that they never thought about before, in that there are options for them, they just weren't aware that they were available to them. They also started to really talk about the limitations and the barriers more.
Gave my students an opportunity to have a voice, to feel empowered, building that confidence in them. And so when we empower students to give them the choice of what they want to do with their bodies and then find joy in moving with their body, I think that's the best thing that we can do.